Hi, I'm Claire Taylor, Deputy Vice-Chancellor at Wrecsam Glyndŵr University, and I just want to spend a couple of minutes talking to you about the North Wales Research and Insight Partnership. Now, the North Wales Research and Insight Partnership aims to enable the Public Service Boards, or the PSBs, to respond to the requirement in the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act to deliver wellbeing assessments across our communities. The partnership is made up of PSB officers and also officers from the Regional Partnership Board, together with Wrecsam Glyndŵr University, Data Cymru and Co-Production Network Wales. And as a university, we're facilitating the partnership as part of our work as a key anchor institution across North Wales and as a university that is committed to the wellbeing of our communities and region. So while in the short term the focus of the partnership is to collect data and to deliver community engagement, to deliver the wellbeing assessments, in the longer term there's an ongoing important role for the partnership, particularly as an open and collaborative source of data and evidence to inform corporate strategies and other work across the region. And this is very much about being integral to shaping the North Wales that we all want to live in now, and also as we go forward into the future. So, as I said, the partnership is supported by the university through our North Wales Public Service Lab. And the lab is a unique resource which provides training and workshops and research insights to create a community of leaders that North Wales needs for the future. So through working together, using data and insight and listening to local people to understand our challenges and opportunities, we can develop collaborative plans that will transform the well-being of our communities across North Wales. This is fantastically exciting work, and we'd be delighted if you want to join with us and to find out more about it. So for further information, do please get in touch with Nina Ruddle, the Head of Public Policy Engagement here at Wrecsam Glyndŵr University.